Hello! Today is Monday, the 10th of March. It's day 8 of my trip and I am in Tours. This morning I mostly just want to walk in the city center, especially in the old streets where there are some old houses. Théâtre municipal. So that's the theater of the city. Voltaire, Beaumarchais, Marivaux, Molière, Corneille, Racine. So that square with the old houses like this is called Place Plumereau. That's a black cat, I'm not sure he's very visible on the camera. Really beautiful. So that I've seen the other day. So that's the Charlemagne Tower and the Saint-Martin Basilica. We have another cat. Might go for this one, the Grand Mamie. Burgers. Today I'm not going back to the accommodation for lunch, as that would make me waste too much time. Instead, I'm having lunch in a neat little burger place. That is some bleu on the chips. And that is the burger Grand Mamie, but with reblochon meat. That's really good. They're both really good. That was great. And now it's super sunny. That's great. Then some more little old streets. Then a little bit of walking along La Loire. And then my favorite thing to visit every time I'm in a new city, the Botanical Garden. Jardin Botanique. I'm here. We have all that, the greenhouse is there. There is a small farm there. This one has not only a greenhouse and a very nice garden, it also has some streams and some ponds with koi carps and a mini farm. That's perfect. Also, I basically left my sunglasses at the accommodation because the weather was supposed to be bad. and that's just too warm. He's so cute. Yes. He's so cute. Aww. Ooh, that is strange. Aww. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's very hard. It's not soft at all. Je crois qu'il aime ça. Oh, look at his little teeth in the front here. Yes. Oh, we've got teeth there, And then I'm taking the bus back to the accommodation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye. Goodbye.